where's your juice? There it is. Slow down, Chloe. If you'd stop walking and drinking, you wouldn't be choking. No. No. Good girl. Night nights. Say it's not. Night nights. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. What? Kaboom! Say uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Where are you going? Ow! You found your nook. Bye. See, Mom, this is what I deal with non-stop. One room to the next. And we lost our cup, and we found a nook. Uh-oh. Where'd we put our cuppy? Where'd we put our juicy? Where's your juice? Yeah, you don't care now. Now you're on to the next project. See? 50 hours of work all week, and then it's Chloe. But it's fun. Right, Chloe? Say you're so much fun. Yeah, is that Elmo? Whoa.